8 raised to the power x plus 64 raised to the power x upon 16 raised to the power x plus 32 raised to the power x is equal to 3 upon 2. We have to find the value of x. Let's try. So here we can write 8 as 2 raised to the power of 3, then whole raised to the power of x, and 64 as 4 raised to the power of 3, then whole raised to the power of x upon 16 as 2 times 2 times 4. So we are writing in terms of 2's and 4's, then whole raised to the power x plus 32 as 4 times 4 times 2 whole raised to the power x is equal to 3 upon 2. Now we know when a raised to the power m and whole raised to the power n, then this we can write it as a raised to the power m times n, or a raised to the power n then whole raised to the power m. So here 2 raised to the power 3 then whole raised to the power x, we can write it as 2 raised to the power x whole raised to the power 3 plus 4 raised to the power x whole raised to the power 3 upon 2 raised to the power 2x times 4 raised to the power x, because when a times b whole raised to the power m, then this means a raised to the power m times b raised to the power m plus 4 raised to the power 2x times 2 raised to the power x is equal to 3 upon 2. Now, if we consider 2 raised to the power x as a and 4 raised to the power x as b, then this is in the form of a cube plus b cube, and this is an algebraic expression. We can expand it as a plus b parenthesis a square minus ab plus b square. So let's write it in the form of this formula. So this is a plus b a square minus ab plus b square upon here a square b plus b square times a we have, or a plus b parenthesis a square minus ab plus b square upon ab parenthesis a plus b is equal to 3 upon 2. This a plus b and a plus b gets cancelled. Now we have a square upon ab minus ab upon ab plus b square upon ab. This is the denominator common for all these three is equal to 3 upon 2. This ab and this ab gets divided. Here it is 1. A square divided by a is a upon b minus b upon a is equal to 3 upon 2. This one we send it to right hand side, so it will be plus 1. Again, that a upon b is equal to m. So this is m minus 1 upon m, because b upon a is reciprocal of a upon b, so it will be 1 upon m is equal to 3 plus 2 upon 2. We have taken LCM here. Now again taking LCM, it will be m square minus 1 upon m is equal to 5 upon 2. Now cross multiply is equal to 5m, or 2m square minus 2 minus 5m is equal to 0. We can rearrange it. 2m square minus 5m minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Let's factorize it. 2m square minus 4m minus m minus 2 is equal to 0, or sorry, this is a upon b plus b upon a, m plus 1 upon m, m square plus 1 upon m plus 2 is equal to 0, or m minus 2 is common and 2m minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have two solutions. When m minus 2 is equal to 0, m is equal to 2. When 2m minus 1 is equal to 0, 2m is equal to 1, m is equal to 1 upon 2. Now we have considered a upon b as m, and a we have considered 2 raised to the power x and b is 4 raised to the power x. M here we have got it 2. So this is 2 upon 4 whole raised to the power x is equal to 2, or 1 upon 2 whole raised to the power x is equal to 2. We can write it as 1 upon 2 whole raised to the power minus 1, because negative power means multiplicative inverse of the base raised to the positive power of the exponent. Since both the bases are same, so x is equal to minus 1. This is one solution. when m is equal to 1 upon 2, so a upon b is 1 upon 2, or 2 raised to the power x upon 4 raised to the power x is equal to 1 upon 2, or 2 upon 4 whole raised to the power x is equal to 1 upon 2, or 1 upon 2 raised to the power x is equal to 1 upon 2, or in that case x is equal to 1. So these are two solutions for x. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.